Good afternoon, we're so glad you're here.
My daily vlog, so if you like this video, come on back tomorrow.
It is the later afternoon. We had a very productive daytime.
We sure did.
We were waiting to meet up with Dom and Victoria and got to spend like an hour or so with them before they headed to the airport, so they're gone now.
Another goodbye. 2 goodbyes in 2 days.
Not fun.
No.
So now we're gonna try to see what's going on with Animal Kingdom. We're gonna try to see if we can get Sarah on a roller coaster before she's on
For the transfer tomorrow.
She can't go on them anymore.
Yeah, that is the plan. Okay, we had 2 realizations just now. One was, can we bring our medication into the park?
It's a maybe.
It is, I mean, it's pretty definite. I looked it up on the Disney Moms panel, and they say that if your medication is in a glass bottle, exceptions may be made for prescription medication. You just have to talk to the security guard about your situation. I don't know if anyone who watches this has experience with this. EpiPens are allowed. More traditional pen type things are allowed. And
ours is in glass, which is where I say the may is the big word there. I don't think we'd have an issue.
Yeah.
It's a family-friendly company.
Yeah.
And it's a family-friendly thing.
Yeah.
So.
Right. And so you should declare to the security guard if you have needles. First aid stations, which I thought was cool, can help you store, which is really nice in the heat here. So that is good. However, then I was on my phone and I was like, let's see how the crowds are. It's been a pretty crowded weekend. Will we even be able to go on other rides while we're there? We did get an Expedition Everest Fast Pass, but basically, that was some serious shadow. Basically, the wait times are crazy, which means it's really crowded. Like, Safari's 2 hours, Dinosaurs over an hour, 70 minutes. Just looks like
Bug was an hour and 20.
No, it was not. So we decided, because we did want to go see a movie tonight, that we're just gonna go straight to Disney Springs. And so the roller coaster, like last photo finish before the transfer, is not going to happen.
Technically, you can see if a park opens up at like 7 a.m.
Oh my goodness. But honestly, like, I would rather spend this last night like chill enjoying ourselves instead of like taking on a park, running to our fast pass, running to the movie. Like, we're just in Zen mode right now. So we're gonna go straight to Disney Springs, and we're closer to Disney Springs, so the fun can begin even sooner. Look at this bus.
I don't know if you guys have seen like the newer bus wraps, but they are adorable.
That one was one of my faves. They should have had Mike Wazowski.
One that I love.
They should have had Mike Wazowski's face covered, like
by
how
the wheel.
Like never actually in the commercial or any of the marketing for Monsters Inc.
I don't know if you guys realize how excited Sarah and I are for Beatrix opening up here.
So excited. It's so weird for there to be nothing here and just sky, because Bongo's was a huge building and part of the skyline of Disney Springs I know and love.
First of all, look at this sweet, oh, it's gone. There was a sick solar flare going on. I have a bittersweet thing to say right now.
You know that if it's
I'm like very excited right now to be here tonight, because we're just like a very relaxed Zen night. Just us two, but that's what's the bittersweet part is. Like, oh, there it is. Solar flare. This is the first night in, I feel like, 30 days that Sarah and I are like just doing something, like just like doing like a parks thing, just us. But I say like that's bittersweet because I like feel bad. I'm sad that like we're not like going to see somebody or meeting with somebody, or like gonna give somebody a big hug. I could give a stranger a hug.
Right, but we are also like, we love being just us. It was funny in the car. I was like, what do we do when like we're not following somebody's vacation plans?
I know.
We have so many choices.
I know.
It's overwhelming.
So we're gonna get Sarah's gonna get a Be Bad from Savannah Bee Company, and we're gonna see if there's Irish music.
Honey, since being vegan, that's like one of those things that like some people do, some people don't. I mean, like strict veganism is not. But it's my favorite energy drink, and I'm not going to be drinking energy drinks, so it's like, that's replacing the roller coaster.
Yes.
It's like one last.
That's true, I like that idea.
Yeah.
Savannah Bee Company, I think we've only slept in here once since we did the whole, started the whole
We
vegan.
might not have any.
Um,
Was it meant to be?
what happened?
They're out of it. They said even Be Bad is out of it. Like they're out and they'll be restocked in. They will be back in June, which is a far way away. It's not like, oh, next week.
June.
June.
When life hands you lemons, you make beef stew. I'm just joking. If you know what that's from, let us know. But when life hands you lemons, you make lemonade.
Yeah. So we're gonna get a treat here instead.
From Erin McKenna, which is all vegan. So it's great because we're sticking with the vegan.
Offerings are always different.
Oh. Erin McKenna's all vegan all the time. Got some delicious looking stuff. Whoopie pies, but I only eat my whoopie pies from Market on South. Their eclairs look good. Sarah's thinking between a Thin Mint and banana bread from over there. But all of it vegan, all of it delicious. Alright, we're back at Raglan Road. So nobody's on stage. But that banjo right there was not there 5 minutes ago, and whatever that is wasn't there. I think it's that girl band from Dublin. But Sarah got a little sweet treat.
I don't want to get it out because last time it melted. I have a Thin Mint.
It's already melting. Yeah, Thin Mint cookie. I see a girl. She's on stage getting ready. We might have to move over. Oh, I see a boy. He's on stage. We might have to go over. I just am so filled with the Irish spirit right now. I think I'm gonna get an Irish tattoo.
My dad's tattoo was Mickey Mouse, and under it said the Mick, and it was a play on Mickey Mouse, but also being Irish.
I just have a Mickey Mouse tattoo. Maybe we'll put the Pete below it.
But that would have been if you got Stinky Pete tattoo. I knew that would make sense. You could just say the mouse,
or just
the cheese.
I like the cheese.
A vegan with the cheese tattoo.
Hello, we're back. Are you still good?
They're starting.
Good. Awesome stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Emma Cotton! How are you all doing? Are you good? Woo! That's good but quiet. I'm going to ask again. I want loads of energy this time. Are you doing well? Yes, more of that. Are you happy, sir? Are you having a good day? That's good. We've got some new faces since our first show, so hello everyone and welcome to Raglan Road. Right, we're going to do a song that gets you all involved. This is a classic here in Raglan Road, and we'd love it if you would sing along and also clap along too. So this is the Wild Rover. Any fans of the Wild Rover? Oh yes. So you know what to do? No more than it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Will I play the Wild Rover? No, never, no more. Get that chorus out.
When I was crashing Ben and Carolyn's date night when you were in Chicago months ago, we were here and they played this and Ben and Carolyn taught me. It's like they're here even though they just left.
For credit, she answered me nay. Such custom as yours I can get any day, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. When I play the Wild Rover, no, never, no more.
Sometimes you just gotta do it for the gram. Sarah was just taking some photos.
I just realized I never set up my Instagram pictures today. That's what happens on the weekends when I don't have like
Structure.
yeah. We just had to stop for an appreciation shot. It's so beautiful, but we gotta go. Where are we going next?
Christmas shop. Order up.
We are ready for Christmas. Remember the good old days when we just go to Goofy's Candy Company and get a jam-packed Rice Krispie treat?
For $2 because I was a cast member.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to like open this, because like if you're a cast member, go to Goofy's, your merchandise, especially at the holidays, your merchandise discount
works on the custom made.
Such a
Just Rice Krispie
delicious treat and like
Literally,
so cheap.
Dinner for an unhealthy dinner for two for $2.
Whoa, these are really cute. All the different color call-outs.
This reminds me of the goofiest photo I've ever taken in any Disney World or Disneyland or any Disney property.
With Minnie?
Yeah, do you have that?
Yeah.
Put it in here, please. Sarah, Marie, Brookhart.
What?
You're not going to believe what's over here.
What? Our plate!
A ton of the plates.
And a ton of the cups.
There's like 30 right there, and a ton of the cups, and we were so desperate and thought they were going to be gone forever. And here they are in mass production, Joy Noel.
You guys should have seen Peter.
I
Did
literally
you film it?
I might have. I don't know if I hit start or stop or both. Did we ever get your Valium?
Yeah.
We did?
Yeah, I got it when I went to CVS to get my...
I just had a minor panic attack because Sarah has to take a Valium like right before, like literally we bring it to the doctor's office. The doctor says, all right, do you have your Valium? Take it now. Because then like it just loosens all the muscles and everything for the transfer. But I like, did we ever get the prescription filled? I thought we didn't.
No.
So shots complete, the last shot before transfer. We have to continue those through 12 weeks of pregnancy.
I think so, I think that's the protocol.
Roughly.
Yeah.
So it's not, by far, not close to the last shot, but it's the last shot before the transfer.
Did we say what we're seeing?
No.
We're seeing, what's it called again?
Birds of Prey.
The
Harley Quinn story.
Emancipation of Harley Quinn.
The Fabulous Emancipation,
Yeah,
I think
I'm
it is.
excited. I've heard it's got a really good review.
It's got a fresh status on Rotten Tomato. Woo! And we love Harley Quinn. We love a good power, a girl power movie.
And I love Margot Robbie.
Yes, she's the best. Because have you seen it in About Time?
About Time.
I told Tina to go have dinner on her own. Are you hungry?
Yeah, of course.
Great.
Even though we don't like her in About Time. But she's good in About Time. This is cute. A fun gender. Instead of an agenda, a fun gender.
That's like just our life.
Yeah.
Also, one day I'll convince her that we need to get these as our dishware sets and bowls and everything. I want them so bad as our sets. Look at those coffee mugs and look at this bowl. This is a nice big bowl.
This is crazy. Well, when we get those, yeah, like the handle.
Yeah.
When we get those shelves, they would look so beautiful.
You trying to bribe me? When you getting the shelves done?
Make me my shelf. We're making them together.
Even AMC's looking beautiful tonight on this wonderful night. We got the
popcorn.
Oh, I was nervous for a second. They were going to be out of jalapenos.
And
Hot sauce.
holy ravioli.
We're doing Dobie.
Like how cool.
We're doing super cool Dobie.
That was perfect timing with that smoke. I'll tell you how it is.
Yeah.
I totally forgot we were.
Trick's on us.
We're second to last row.
So we're third floor.
I want to look out this window.
Whoa!
It's a cool view. Ooh, construction. POV first. Oh my gosh. Wait. What the? This is high. We're gonna be high. We're the second to last row. Where are we?
Ready to play? Fire up the new arcade app and destroy the theater.
Oh my
Here
gosh.
they come.
We're so mad. We're the only ones up here right now, but there were seats sold, so you're right there.
Yeah. Yeah, it was like really sold, the seats. We can still see it. Wow.
All right, we're leaving. We're walking in. We're walking in the parking garage because we got to go to P.O. Box and I got to go home because I miss my pup.
Yeah, and we got a risk. The hours are dwindling until we're reunited with our little
One of our embryos.
embryos.
And we get a photo
But
and
it's
get
cool,
to
like
see
if they're
him.
all together, the embryo just gotta take them out.
Like, how do they pick?
Bye bye. We'll see you later. Take the one.
Yeah.
They're all raped.
Yeah.
They're probably they're individually frozen.
Yeah, they're already individually frozen.
But we have to pay rent on those puppies.
They're probably right by each other.
Yeah.
But guys, Harley Quinn, not a kid-friendly movie, that's
No,
for sure.
no.
But any non-kid, it was really good.
It was so
It was
entertaining.
like funny, entertaining, serious, just
Clever.
extremely well written, filmed,
directed by a woman.
designed.
I saw something online
Awesome.
about it. You could tell that it was directed by a woman because of just like how kick but girl power it was.
remember
Loved
where we
it. It
parked?
was beautiful. Kind of close, I remember.
And kind of this way.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
we'll
Go see it.
go see
I
it.
hope it does. Like this was opening weekend. I hope to hear
I think
it
it's
did
gonna go well.
Yeah, it was good.
Um,
It was real good.
And if you notice, I realized at the end, it wasn't a Harley Quinn movie, it was a Birds of Prey, the emancipation of Harley Quinn. So there could be other Birds of Prey movies that aren't focused on Harley Quinn.
Gotcha.
Go see it. Oh no. Not good. JK, we did not stay up that late. We both fell asleep on the couch. Eve just woke us up, so we're gonna go to bed. So let's do this message. Alright, today is February 9th, Sunday. The message is the message is a Nigerian proverb. Hold a true friend with both hands. Oh, I love that so much. Well, as you are watching this, we are officially on bed rest and we have officially completed our embryo transfer and are on our way to parenthood, positive vibes, and all that great adventure. So thank you guys, as always, for all the support. Thank you for following along with us, our fun daily adventures. We love you guys and we thank you for following along with us. And I'm so excited for the morning. It's going to be a great, awesome day. It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.